I don't have to tell you about it. It's been a brutal year for the market. But most stocks are simply rolling back their enormous gains from 2020 and 2021. Let's think. The Dow's still up more than 7% since the end of 2019. The S&P's up more than 17% over the same period. And the Nasdaq's up 25%. You could argue that for many groups, this bear market's simply about working off the excesses of the past few years. Although, of course, if you came in at the high, it sure doesn't feel like that. However, for some stocks to sell off, it's even been worse than that. The hardest hit names are now trading below where they were at the start of the pandemic. In some cases, well below it. These are what I call total give-back stories. And while some of them are dangerous, I admit, others represent, I think, amazing buying opportunities down here. When you look at all the stocks in the S&P 500, fully 172 of them are trading below where they were at the end of 2019. I think it's pretty staggering. More than a third of the index. Many of these declines, though, are well-deserved. For example, if you look at the three worst-performing stocks in the S&P, well, they're all cruise lines, for heaven's sake. They lost massive amounts of business during the pandemic and took on a mountain of debt in order to survive. Well, those are hard ones to justify buying. Rather than bottom fish with the worst performers, we want to stick to, let's say, more proven stories. That's why we're focused on the 10 total give-back stocks with the largest market capitalizations as of yesterday's close. These are not small caps. These are biggies, starting mega platforms. Okay, remember that? Facebook, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Verizon, Comcast, parent company of this network, Cisco Systems, Walt Disney, Intel, Wells Fargo, and AT&T.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.